You ever see bold or italic lettering in another person's LinkedIn post and wonder how they're doing it? It's easy. I'll show you how. Okay, so here I am creating my new LinkedIn post and I want to juice it up a little bit, but I don't know where to enter HTML commands. I just want to create bolds and italics. So I'm going to split my screen, call back to another recent video we made, and I'm going to visit a different page. All you need is the link to this LinkedIn formatting tool, and off we go. Click Format Now. It's going to scroll me down. Whatever text I want to change, let's say I want to create italics. Copy Irvine, California, put it over here. Now I'm going to choose this output, copy again, and just paste over what I have here. Voila! Italics. If you can't see that well, I'll turn great into bold. Again, I copy it. I just paste it over here. Oh, look at that. And again, I just replace. Now you can see my LinkedIn post is becoming a little more interesting. I'll drop a link to the post, the text formatter in the comments below, but that's all there is to it. Now go make some exciting LinkedIn posts of your own.